In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change miles to kilometers in Apple Maps. So let's get started. At the moment, the distance is showing in miles in Google Maps. In order to make changes to unit in Maps, we have to make changes to language and region in iPhone. To do that, first open Settings app. Now tap General. Next, tap Language and Region option. On Language and Region screen, tap Measurement System. At the moment, this is set to US. Now, if you wish to change miles to kilometers, just select the option as metric. Now close the Apple Maps app, open again, and if you check Apple Maps, you will find that distance unit is now changed to kilometers. So that is how you can change miles to kilometers in Apple Maps. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.